Hello, and welcome to March's face kit treat. Hopefully our last month of lockdown for a little while. Time to take the lid off it and see what's inside. In the spring, it's really important to think about how you're protecting your skin and your collagen is what we really want to protect from the damage of UVA and UVB rays. So I want to talk today a little bit about the use of antioxidants, which is what we have loaded this box up with because they're so important. We've also done our best to make it as beautiful as we can. So little fleck of blue, our little candle, which is as always handmade, was paired with a packet of really delicious chocolate covered almonds from Deliciously Ella. But not surprisingly, the two packets which I had to do the video with and take some photos are they've all gone, but they were really good, so I hope you enjoy. The face kit this month is full of antioxidants. I've gone back because it's still cold, there's still central heating. I think skins are still really struggling with hydration. Mine is certainly. I had a microneedling treatment on my face earlier this week and I'm really pleased with the results because it's really pumped the hydration into it, which is what was definitely needed. So I've stuck with Hydra Boost cleanser. We've got some hyaluronic acid packed day moisturizer to just see if that helps you at all with your skincare, and some of our favourite masks. So I'm going to talk it through with you today and show you how to do it, but I'm not doing it myself because I want to really talk to you about the antioxidants and show you a few other products as well that aren't in your box but really are part of the holy grail of skincare, and tell you a little bit about why that is. So as usual, you're going to start your face mask. You've got 3 sachets of this with about half a sachet which you're going to just massage all around your face, and you've got this little cute airy exfoliating brush to just enjoy doing that with and add to your repertoire of tools that you've got to aid and boost the exfoliation and cleansing of your skin. It feels really nice. So pop your Hydra Boost on. Obviously that's loaded in argan oil, so it's really good at dissolving all your makeup, and massage it round and then use your little tool to boost that exfoliation. It costs you nothing extra to really do that and to keep that skin, all the dead stuff off the surface, because then your skin will absorb so much more of the products that you want it to be able to absorb because there's no dead stuff on the surface. So wash and little airy cutie little tool, and then use your face cloth and lots of warm water to rub off and wash all those products away. Of course, the real reason I'm not doing this with you, if any of you enjoyed my peel-off mask experience before, where I managed to solidify 3 lots into a bowl whilst trying to demo it, we're back with these lovely alginate-based masks. There's enough in there for 2 treatments. And what I'd really recommend is that one of these treatments you turbocharge by adding this mask on afterwards. And the other treatment you can add in your little vial of, I've got the sensitive skin one here, but you have all got the Radiance ampule from Toscani, which I'm going to tell you about. So half a packet mixed up with water, so it's the consistency of double cream, maybe a little bit thicker than that, and then smooth it all onto your face. It's Alginate Mask. It'll set really firmly and you will be able to just peel it all away. What it's providing for your skin is 2 things. It's giving you a mechanical exfoliation by the process of peeling it off, but it's also delivering into your skin antioxidants and products to try and inhibit melanin formation. And there's some good studies showing that when you add masks like this into your skincare on a regular basis, that they help minimise the pigment in your skin. Now, I think when it comes to the science, that's all well and good, but I think when it comes to masks, the joy really has to be in how you feel about it, whether it's fun to use and how much pleasure you get, because the magic in skincare is what you're doing every day. They're your routine products delivering active ingredients to make your skin function well, and masks add on to that, but not as much or as significantly as your products will be doing. So Radiance Mask, leave it on. It needs to stay on at least 10 minutes till it's completely solid, or as long as you can tolerate. Peel it all away, and then you have a choice of either putting your collagen mask over on your clean skin afterwards. Remember, this mask, although it's cold gold collagen, there is no collagen in this mask. This is a hyaluronic acid based mask, which is working to really hydrate the outer layers of your skin, create that radiance that comes from well hydrated skin, and soothe and calm the skin as well. Or the alternative is that you take your vial of Radiance Serum. You actually can use this very clever device to just break this away. You don't need to take it out of the container, so don't drop it on the floor. That solves you having a risk of breaking your damaging your fingers while you're breaking the top of this ampule. Now, Toscani make a whole series of these little potent serums, which actually are so pure that you can use them if you're doing home microneedling, and we add them into our kits because they're such great products to use. So this contains a mix of hyaluronic acid, which is in a small enough molecule to get into your skin, but also it contains some phytic acid and vitamin C and various other vitamins as well. But the vitamin C and the phytic acid, I just want to focus on a little bit. So phytic acid is an acid that's going to aid your exfoliation. It's also a really clever little acid at being able to get into the skin and be a little bit more punchy in its action. So it's not going to give you a peel, but if you put this on and sleep in it overnight, you should see a lovely glow to your skin in the morning. And vitamin C, of course, is one of the most powerful antioxidants that we can use in skincare. This little pot here is part of my daily skincare routine. So I want to talk to you and just say that vitamin C, it's not just about providing antioxidants at this time of year, because those antioxidants are powerfully taking away the damaging free radicals that are forming on our skin when it's exposed to UVA and UVB light. But vitamin C is also taking the collagen that our skin is building as we do these treatments, as we maybe use our evening retinols. And it is taking that collagen and it's linking it. It's called cross-linking. And by cross-linking our collagen, it ensures that it stays there in position, it stays more juicy, and it is therefore holding the structure of our face and minimising wrinkles so much more. So vitamin C, of course, we can eat more. We should always be eating a better diet and more healthily, and some of those things can be challenging, but it doesn't really matter how much vitamin C we eat. Our body naturally excretes it away and it just washes away. Our kidneys extract it. So when we put it on our skin directly, it's 20 times more potent than if we manage to eat it alone. So this vitamin C from Alginate, what I want to show you is when it's first mixed, it's really super clear, and any vitamin C that you use should be really clear. And that's because if it's going brown, it's taken all the, it's oxidized, it's taken the light it's done its job. It's protected your skin from the free radicals by scavenging them up and locking them away and protecting your skin. But by doing that itself, it has become denatured. So you are getting vitamin C in your serum. You are getting vitamin C in your mask. And if you want more information on how you should use vitamin C as part of your daily skincare routine, then please just send me a little message. I'd be happy to help, because actually it's one of the most vital ingredients that you can have in your daily skincare routine, but it needs to be a really, really good product. And then you've slept in your serum. In the morning, you've got the intensive moisturizer with sunscreen in it from Protocol, which is going to provide you with yet more hyaluronic acid. This smells really good. In fact, I'm going to just open it and just show you how thick that is. So it's got a slightly citrusy smell. So that should really help your skin in this very challenging time where it actually is quite sunny and warm during the day, but really quite chilly and cold at night, and we're outside a little bit more. So hydration really matters, and antioxidants are really going to help us keep our skin looking its very best. See you soon.